soon as I do it on camera, it messes up. All right, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Today we're gonna pull the front seat out of the Skylark, and we'll check that carpet out and vacuum all that stuff out, and I'm gonna pressure wash that seat because of the mold that's on there, even though it is ripped and there's foam sticking out. But another thing I want to show you, I found that old Bear Rose character, put him back in the back of the bus. So there we go. I'm all set up here and take the bolts out, pull the seat out, do some vacuuming. I may even pull the carpet out. I don't know. It all depends how I feel. So I pushed the seat all the way front, and I get to these bolts. I thought for, you know, most cars, I can't say most cars, but some of the cars I've worked on, the bolts come in from the bottom, but these ones are, oh, look at that too. It loosens right up. Okay, wonderful. Let me try the other side. Okay, and then what else I'll do, let's see if we can get you over here. Well, what else I'll do is I'll push the seat forward and get the front ones. So anyway, that's about, shouldn't be too bad. It's not electric seat or anything. Oh yeah, look at that. Wonderful good in the neighborhood. Success. Do that to the other side. I don't know if it shows up on camera or not, but these are pretty dirty and moldy, and I think this is my best bet. Now, of course, this one, I can't get in there with the gun. And if I go in there with the ratchet too long, it's gonna get caught in there, I know it. So let me see if I can even get the ratchet on it. Yes, I can. Maybe I can break it loose with that. Yes. Cool. We get the old ratchet wrench. Gotta do it manually. That was another thing with this car. I had to break out all my SAE wrenches and sockets. There for a long time, all I ever used was metric, because everything was metric. You got some wiring to clean up under the dash too, I see. The Radidio wires are all over the place. Ain't nothing but thing, chicken wing. Now, as long as that side goes as well. There's the wiring. I don't know if you can see it or not. Ain't that bad. Okay, what I did is lifted the seat up and pulled the seat belts down through. Now I'm just going to slide it out this way and get a washing and a vacuuming. Alrighty then. Alright, not too shabby. Got some cigarette cellophane. I haven't seen that in, oh my gosh. And just a little bit of chewage. All in all, not too shabby. Oh, that's all one piece of carpet. Man, I don't really feel like doing that, but we'll see. I'm going to vacuum it out first and check it out. I might as well show you the seat. Not too shabby. I can clean that up there a little bit. A lot of mold down front here. And that's the only real bad spot, is that part of the seat here. And it looks like somebody hopped in with a screwdriver. Yep. Alright, it was a wrestling match, but I got it. Both sides. these here caps just go on here and hold that pin in there, and then you unlatch it, take it off of there. Yeah, that was easy. Oh, there it is. And then take it to here and then sort of as soon as I do it on camera, it messes up. There it is. I'm gonna straighten that out. Alright, right here, camera was out in sunlight, overheated, shut right down, was going into meltdown mode. So I lost a lot of coverage and a lot of footage. And I wanted to show you how I put the seat back together and put it back in the car. And you can see it's already back in the car. I wanted to show you what it looked like after it dried before I put it in. And so what I'll do is I'll just make another, I'll do some more footage of seat in there and what I had to do to put it back together and put it back in the car, and I'll show you how nice it came out. And with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, ring the notification bell if you want to be notified. Remember, be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.